It is 10:32. 10:32. It is mad late. I said that ain't even late. That is late for your girl. I'm a grandma. I'm in the bed 9:30. Here with it. This is what she looks like. Hopefully the light, y'all see I ain't home. But anyway, hopefully the light is not too bad. I actually straightened this yesterday, but as you guys can see, it is kind of crinkly. I think this is 26 or 28 inches. I'm not 100% sure at this moment in time, but I did off camera go ahead and plug the unit, and I also bleached the knots as well, y'all. I am tired. My brain is gone. But anyway, yeah, I'm about to go ahead and install this, and yeah. Okay, she is long. Ooh, she's pretty. Well, like I said, I did straighten her yesterday. So I'm just brushing it out. Definitely gonna have to go back in and straighten her. This is HD lace as well, period. Okay, but this is what the hairline looks like. I'm about to go ahead and tint it with my lace tint, and I'm gonna speed this part up. Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Is that a song? Alright guys, so this is how the first install went. Okay, I didn't like the baby hairs pretty much, but I lost footage anyway because, you know, I be doing the most. But anyway, we're just gonna get into the next portion of the video. Alright guys, so I am back. We are going to go ahead and reinstall this unit, okay? She has been freshly washed and conditioned, and this is what she is giving, okay? So I did go ahead and wash all that glue out from the last install, and I have that in for a week. I was out of town for a week, so here we are, fresh new week, okay? So this is what she looks like. We're going to go ahead and pull out our Got To Be glue, because that's, yeah, Got To Be glue hairspray, because that's what I'm using today. I'm gonna go ahead and tint my cap underneath with this tinting spray. I don't feel like tinting underneath the lace. As you guys saw, it was bleached, but I didn't tint it. I wanted to try to see if it will blend in without me, you know, using my lace tint spray. I actually have a new dryer. Y'all, I had my other dryer for so long, so I picked this up from Walmart. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna use my wax sticks to push the baby hairs out of the way, and yeah, I'm just gonna get started with securing it down. Alright, so now we do have our handy dandy Got To Be glue spray, and I'm just going to secure it down as if this was my first install. Like I said, if you do customize your unit and add baby hairs, it's simple as long as you make sure the baby hairs are out of the way, because it can be a little frustrating at times. But I'm used to cutting off my lace first, then laying it down, so reinstalling it is never an issue for me. But I said it would be more easier if you're just making sure all the hair is out of the hairline. So this is just a simple install, nothing to it. Just make sure everything is lined up. Sometimes I know when reinstalling your lace, your hairline could be different. You could pull it down further, or you could pull it too far back, and you may need to cut some extra lace off. Do what you gotta do, sis. Okay, so I did go ahead and tie my hair up. I let it sit for a good 5 minutes. I'm going to take the Beyond the Zone heat protecting spray. I'm just going to spray this on my hair, and then I'm going to run my hot comb through it. I did apply wax to my hair already. I didn't include that clip, but you can use that as well. But yeah. So I am going to go in and create a part. I'm not going to keep the part that actually was, but I'm like, no, we're going to switch it up just a little. But I have to have a part to create my baby hairs for some reason. So it's like, I cannot do baby hairs without a metal part. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that is super sleek and flat as well. And I actually did put concealer on it because I was going to keep it a straight part. But like I said, as time went on through the install, I ended up changing my mind, as you guys know from the beginning of the video. So So now I'm just going to go ahead and swoop-a-doop my baby hairs. I just used some Got To Be Glue spray. Yeah, that's pretty much it. With baby hairs, you can create more. I did have to pull out some new ones because I wanted them thicker. So I did pull some down from the hairline as well. So this is pretty much it for the video. I went in and did some soft curls using my Baby Pro Bliss curling iron. I really enjoyed working with this hair. Like I said, I did 2 installs with this hair, and y'all, when I tell y'all this hair is the biz naive, y'all, this hair is so bomb. I love how it's very versatile to be straight as well, because y'all know sometimes with straight hair you only can wear it straight, but as you guys can see, this unit can hold a curl. Now the heat wasn't all the way up. Like I said, I wanted some loose curls. So yeah, I did, like I said, wash and condition it. I did get minimum shedding, and I did get a few snags and tags here and there throughout both installs. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next one, I will see you later, and all information will be down below.